need to get out of here. It's bringing me down. I'm so lost, waiting to be found. If it's okay, can I ask you anyway? After all, you've been here before. Now it all started when I was unable to buckle your daughter in the car seat on the way to dance class. Anyone who has used a car seat knows exactly what I mean. We would laugh, and I would pretend I couldn't get it, son. I would fall on her over and over and kiss her every time. Buckle me in, kind of a game that we play in the car. I have trouble here, but sometimes I just pretend, so I can put a little love, put a little love. And while I was sleeping, things changed. While I was sleeping, nothing stays the same. Now time goes by, you can't stop it. You know she's quite the little lady. The car seat's gone now, and those days are gone too. We were saying goodbye the other day, and we hugged, and she looked at me and said, would you buckle me in? Now I know you didn't hear it, but her and I, we were linked. We were on the same page. I couldn't help it. I fell on her a few times, even though the buckle went right in. I kissed her every time. We laughed and laughed. To get out of here, find the sunshine, four-leaf clover, a rainbow's end. just pretend, so I can put a little love, put a little love. And while I was sleeping, things change. While I was sleeping, they don't stay the same. Thank you.